Hello and welcome to today's video. And in today's video we're going to briefly touch on the lasso tool in Illustrator. So we're going to start off in this demonstration. I'm just going to create a star on the canvas and I'm going to give it 10 points. If I wanted to edit these points now, I'll need to click on the Direct Selection tool, and then if I wanted to smooth out these areas within, I'm going to have to click on each handle whilst holding Shift to change them. I'm not going to do all of them because it will take time, but as you can see I can pull that out now. It will give me 2 anchor points on each side, and that's not necessarily something I want. And if I wanted to do this quicker and keep it so it's just 1 anchor point, that is possible by using the lasso tool. So I'm going to go back, and this time I'm going to use the lasso tool. So I'm just going to select that and draw a circle around all the anchor points that I want to change within this star. I've drawn a circle. I can use the Direct Selection tool again now that they're all selected, but again, as I said, I don't want to have 2 anchors on each part. So now all I'm going to do is where we've got convert, I'm going to change this to a smooth edge. And as you can see, we've kept it so it's just 1 anchor point with the point at the end. So essentially, the lasso tool allows you to grab any of the anchor points that are within that area. So if I wanted to change this half of this star now, I can do, and keep the other half exactly the same. So just to show you again, if I use the lasso tool, I can draw down this side. That will select all of these anchor points that then I can change, like so. If you need any more help or any more explanation as to why you should be using the lasso tool, then just drop a comment below and I should be able to help you out a little bit more using it. Thanks for watching.